Hey there, students and stationery lovers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of school supplies and study essentials. Whether you're a bookworm or someone who just loves collecting colorful pens, we've got you covered. So, sharpen your pencils, grab your notebook, and let's get started. Don't worry, no homework after this.
A book is something you read filled with stories, knowledge, or sometimes just confusing words. I borrowed a book from the library, and now I'm hooked on adventures about dragons. Books are like portals to other worlds. Just don't forget to return them on time, unless you enjoy library finds. A pen is a tool for writing in ink, perfect for notes or doodles. I write with a pen, but I also accidentally scribble on my hand half the time. Pens come in all colors, but let's be honest, blue and black always steal the show. A pencil is a tool for writing with lead, and it's an artist's best friend. I need a pencil for drawing because pens aren't so great for mistakes. The best part? Pencils come with their own erasers. Talk about multitasking. An eraser is a tool to remove pencil marks and save you from messy mistakes. I forgot my eraser at home, so now my math homework looks like modern art. Erasers are proof that life gives second chances, at least on paper. A ruler is a tool for measuring straight lines, or for drawing them if you're bad at freehand. The ruler is 30 centimeters long, and it doubles as a sword during desk battles. Just don't snap it in half. No one likes a broken ruler. A notebook is a book for writing notes, ideas, or random doodles when you're bored. I have a new notebook, and I've already written on many pages. Notebooks are like mini diaries for your brain's messiest thoughts. A backpack is something to carry items, but it somehow always ends up heavier than expected. My backpack is heavy, probably because I stuffed it with snacks and one too many books. Backpacks are lifesavers. Just don't forget to clean out the crumbs. A desk is a table for writing, studying, or pretending to study while scrolling on your phone. The students sit at their desks to study, but let's be honest, they're also passing notes. Desks are where genius ideas or epic paper airplanes are born. A chair is a seat with a back, great for sitting or spinning around dramatically. I need a new chair because mine squeaks like it's auditioning for a horror movie. Chairs are the unsung heroes of comfort until someone steals yours. A board is a flat surface for writing, perfect for teachers and their mysterious handwriting. The teacher wrote on the board, and now we're all trying to figure out if that's an E or an A. Boards are like magical walls where knowledge appears and disappears.
And there you have it, the ultimate list of school tools and study superstars. From the trusty pen to the loyal chair, these items make learning, or pretending to learn, so much easier. Thanks for joining me on this fun little journey. Remember, keep your notebooks neat, your rulers unbroken, and your erasers handy. See you next time. Class dismissed.